So I have a really fun, quick haul for you. These are the products I'm going to be playing with for the month of June. Maybe my first video might show up the beginning of May, but definitely June. And this is from Memory Lane Scraps. So these are the goodies I get to play with. And I'll be doing 4 process videos with these goodies. And we have lots of fun mixed media stuff this month to play with, so that'll be cool. So I'm going to start with these Vicki Boutin art crayons, which I'm super excited to play with because I haven't played with them at all yet. I haven't gotten, this is the first of them I've gotten, and I haven't played with them at all. So when I look at this, I'm thinking that like this color, this orange, this light pink would be fabulous for maybe this orangey one. This one, super fun colors to play with this collection. And I also just bought a set of stencil brushes that I haven't used yet, so I'm super excited to play with the stencil brushes as well. And then she also sent me this Vicki Boutin Creative FX Iridescent Glaze, which I don't have any of these glazes yet either, so that'll be super fun to play with. Let's just open it up and see what we got. You okay? Okay. Ooh. So that'll be super duper fun to play with. So I get to pair these fun mixed media products with the brand new Pink Paisley Auburn Lane collection. So I got the puffy stickers, which I think are super cute. These are like my colors. They're so pretty. I love them. And then I got the rub-ons, and there's 2 packages of rub-ons in this kit. So lots of fun elements in both of these collections, in both of these sheets to play with. And then we have, oh, we can see both of them in the packaging. So these are the 6x12 stickers. Warm and Cozy, Home Sweet Home, Daydreamer, the little bunny. I love the bunny in this collection. So cute. I think these are beautiful stickers. Yay. And then I have the 6x8 paper pad. And I'll open it up and show you all the yumminess inside here. So just my plans for this kit are that I'm going to do two layouts. I'm going to do a traveler's notebook spread, and then a lot of the elements on here and in the ephemera pack I think would make fabulous cards. So I think my 4th project for this is going to actually be a set of cards, like maybe 3 or 4 cards. And I'll do a process video for them, of course. But some of these lovely sayings, like this hello you, and there's like this one that says thanks. I really feel like I want to make some cards with this collection, and I think they would be fun. So we have a pretty houndstooth, gorgeous floral. I actually got from Pink Paisley's blog or Instagram. I got my phone has this as its wallpaper. So pretty. This one is gorgeous. And then we have this beautiful floral. This one is yelling, "Fussy, cut me!" So that might happen. Beautiful orange. This lovely scripty font. Grid design. A nice black and white stripe. A gorgeous piece for me. So I have this thing in my head that I really want to pull this 6x8 paper out and stitch all of this and then create like an element on a page. So I'm not sure if that's gonna work, but I have it in my head that I really want to do that. Beautiful wood grain, gorgeous floral, this amazing like a newspaper print, black and white, gorgeous green. And this is another one. See, this little thank you, you are the best. Things like this is really making me lean towards wanting to create some greeting cards with these. And I think that they would be lovely to do that. And then it repeats all those different patterns. And then I have the ephemera pack. So this isn't a big haul, but these are the kinds I like. This is just enough product for me to create with. And I love it. So here's a thank you. A little ampersand. The label, some florals, and a pear. I love the idea of making a card for like an anniversary card that says, "You're quite the pear." I think that would be so fun. We have some tabs, really sweet tabs. So, the only thing that I do believe I will have to pull in from my stash to use with this collection is some lettering options. I don't have a lot of lettering options here, but I may just pull out some alphabet stamps or, you know, something like that, or use maybe a cut file, something easy. These houses, I adore them. Oh, they're so, so cute. So here are all of the different ephemera pieces. Little bunny rabbit and a frame. And this pretty piece. So this is what we have for my Memory Lane scrap projects for this month. All of these items, you can pick them up in the Memory Lane scrap store, and there will be a link to that below. And then you can also go ahead and use my code Sara20 to save 20% off your order. And yeah, I'm going to be playing with these all month, so if you want to grab some of these products, you can play along with me. You can scrap lift my layouts, you can you know, be inspired to use product, and this isn't a ton. I love this amount of product. You get the idea of a collection, you get all the important pieces, you have plenty to kind of make a layout, but I'm also going to pull some lettering options from my stash, and yeah, it's a really great selection of products to use. So have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will be back this week with plenty of layouts because I went on a retreat last weekend. I had a wonderful time, but now I have to devote some time to creating and getting videos up for all of you. I will talk to you soon. Bye.